How to clear Telegram data. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to clear the Telegram data, which are like cached files, chat history and media, without deleting your account, then simply follow the steps based on your device. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the bottom, just right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find data and storage, just right here, select it. Then tap on to storage usage, just right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find clear entire cache, just right here. Simply select it. Then simply confirm clear entire cache. Now wait for a few seconds. And now you can see the data has been cleared in this app. And that's it. This is how you can clear the Telegram data. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.